Are you planning to start a business that not only addresses a growing market need but also helps clean up the planet? If so, the eco-friendly packaging manufacturing industry may be a good fit for you. Today, with plastic restrictions increasing everywhere, there is a growing demand for eco-friendly alternatives in various sectors such as food delivery, e-commerce, and retail businesses. But friends, this field is not quite as simple as you might imagine. For many, the most challenging part is simply identifying the right business idea and the right machines. So in today's video, we will explain in detail the top 10 machines for creating eco-friendly packaging. Also, you'll see where real demand is growing, the risks that most beginners ignore, and which machines can realistically expand into long-term businesses. So don't miss watching the full video. Also, this video is for educational purposes only, so make sure you do full, thorough research before starting a business. So come on, let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Single-use food box manufacturing machine. The rise of services like Swiggy and Zomato, along with the growing trend of ordering takeout, has vastly increased the demand for food boxes. As customers increasingly prefer eco-friendly packaging, restaurants are now moving away from plastic containers. This machine manufactures paper food boxes used daily by biryani outlets, snack bars, and cloud kitchens. Therefore, you can start making food boxes using this machine from your small factory setup. The primary risk involved is the need to maintain consistently high food quality in your product. Number 2. Honeycomb paper envelope machine. Serving as an eco-friendly alternative to bubble wrap, this product is rapidly gaining popularity. E-commerce sellers use honeycomb paper for soft products, so you can produce a small honeycomb paper with this machine. The Indian market for this product is still growing, which means that new companies can consider starting this business. A potential risk lies in the current lack of awareness regarding this product. Therefore, you will need to educate your customers about it. Create marketing videos and provide packaging demonstrations, as visual marketing has proven to be highly effective in this sector. Number 3. Biodegradable carry bag manufacturing machine. Due to government pressure, supermarkets and branded retail outlets have started using biodegradable bags. This machine manufactures carry bags using biodegradable materials. Although these bags resemble plastic, they are naturally biodegradable. Start by initially targeting small retail shops and then gradually expand your focus toward larger clients. The primary risk involved in this venture is that the cost of raw materials is higher than that of ordinary plastic. Therefore, you must adopt a smart pricing strategy. Number 4. Paper bag making machine business. Today, almost every clothing store, pharmacy, bakery, and supermarket utilizes paper bags. As restrictions on plastic bags continue to tighten, the demand for paper bags is steadily on the rise. This machine automatically manufactures bags from rolls of craft paper. Furthermore, by adding unique branding to them, your product can stand out in a competitive market. To begin with, purchase a small semi-automatic machine and target local shops. The inherent risk involved is that you may encounter lower price suppliers in the market. Therefore, you must prioritize quality and ensure prompt delivery. Number 5. Molded pulp tray making machine. The demand for molded pulp products such as egg trays, fruit trays, and packaging for electronic products is growing rapidly. So with this machine, you can get into the waste paper recycling business. This industry will require some factory scale infrastructure, but the market is growing steadily in the poultry and electronics sectors. The main challenge is to closely monitor the drying process and the quality of the product at all times. The target market for this industry comprises poultry farms, fruit and egg distributors, and electronic distributions. Number 6. Paper tube manufacturing machine. Paper tubes are used in the textile industry, gift packaging, industrial packaging as well. This is a niche business idea, but the competition is currently limited in this niche segment. So you can start with local textile mills because these need an ongoing supply. The risk in this business venture is that the cost of the machines and the maintenance and accuracy are critical. However, the demand for these paper tubes remains high in the market. On the marketing side, it is especially effective to use industrial networks. Number 7. Corrugated box manufacturing machine. As e-commerce continues to expand, the corrugated box demand is projected to grow as e-commerce expands. From Amazon sellers and electronic stores to furniture businesses, everyone requires shipping boxes. So you can start with a small die cutting setup and subsequently incorporate an automated production line. The inherent risk in this venture is that raw material prices can fluctuate from time to time. Therefore, it is essential to carefully manage your profit margins. For marketing purposes, target local manufacturers and online sellers. Number 8. Paper straw manufacturing machine. Until a few years ago, paper straw appears to be a novelty item. However, snack bars and restaurants have now made their use mandatory. International brands too have abandoned plastic straws, and in many local markets, this industry remains relatively new. Therefore, you can start this venture with a small automated machine. The risk involved is that if the quality is poor, causing the straws to soften quickly, customers will switch to a different service provider. Therefore, water resistance is of paramount importance for marketing purposes. Send samples to snack bars, juice shops, and restaurant chains. Number 9. Paper cup manufacturing machine. The demand for paper cups remains steady in tea shops, juice shops, offices, and various events. Following the increasing bans on plastic cups, this industry has gained even greater momentum. This machine is capable of producing cups in various sizes, and offering custom printing can add value to your product offering. The inherent risk in this venture is the potential for high competition. Therefore, ensuring prompt delivery and maintaining impeccable quality are essential. When it comes to marketing, the best strategy is to approach local tea shops, wholesalers, and event merchandise distributors. Number 10. Paper plate making machine. Finally, let us look at paper plate manufacturing machines. Paper plates are widely used in weddings, catering services, and temples. These machines utilize heat and pressure to stamp plain sheets of paper into plates. So you can start by setting up a low-capacity manufacturing unit at your home using a manual hand-operated machine. The primary risk associated with this business is the seasonal availability of raw materials. Therefore, efficient inventory planning is essential. For marketing purposes, target catering services and wholesale markets that sell single-use items. Friends, before we conclude, let's take a look at the market conditions for 2026. The prices of raw materials have fluctuated by 15 to 20% in the last year. Furthermore, as government compliance requirements for food-grade packaging become stricter, certification costs are on the rise. Additionally, competition is intensifying as an increasing number of manufacturers enter the eco-friendly packaging sector. Therefore, before investing in any machinery or venturing into any manufacturing business, please conduct your own market research. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.